For some of us, meatloaf is the ultimate comfort food, while for others, meatloaf is a singer that had us singing Paradise by the Dashboard Lights over and over again. Join us as we take you on a tasty journey. As I was putting together some thoughts for today's meatloaf segment, I went online to see what fun facts I could find about this main dish. So I searched for fun facts about meatloaf. From there, I discovered how meatloaf varies from country to country. Like, did you know that some folks bury an egg in the middle of their meatloaf? And others add chopped fruit. On that page, there were also a bunch of links to trips to Germany, where meatloaf was first created. And you know what? I clicked on one of them to get more information about a trip. Then I clicked on another link, and it took me to a page all about Meatloaf, the singer. Did you know his real name is Marvin Lee Aday? I loved the album Bad Outta Hell so much that I ordered a remastered version of it. From there, I clicked on another link that said, to make a good meatloaf, you need a good meatloaf pan, which took me to a website that sells stuff for your bed, bath, and beyond. Besides buying the pan, I ordered a comforter and some flameless candles for our guest room. It turned out to be quite an expensive afternoon. Fortunately, you don't have to go through all of that to get the recipe for our crispy fried meatloaf. All you have to do is visit our website. Let me tell you, this is one of the best and most highly reviewed recipes on our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found many marvelous meatloaf ways for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Ain't no doubt about it, we were doubly blessed.